Hello, this is John of Art, and welcome once again to another edition of Learning Ilonggo from the Native Speaker. Let's talk about a popular Ilonggo expression. One of the most popular Ilonggo expressions, I think, is the phrase AMBOT SA IMO. When you don't know what to say, or when you don't know, you say AMBOT. AMBOT means I don't know. Literally, it's I don't know. AMBOT. In the English word, there's no one word for not knowing, but in Ilonggo, it's the word AMBOT. So there are many ways of saying AMBOT, like AMBOT. Sometimes you just say BOT for short, like don't know, or AMBOT. If you're tired of answering a stupid question, you can say AMBOT. If you wonder what the answer is, you can say AMBOT. AMBOT AMBOT gani AMBOT lang So those are the other ways of saying I don't know. Sometimes when you're exasperated about something, you can say AMBOT in an exasperated tone, like AMBOT, 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 BOT. If you're exasperated about something, like I don't know, I really don't know, I don't know. So it's the equivalent of saying that, AMBOT. Then, of course, this phrase, AMBOT SA IMO. Literally, it's, I don't know about you. So, AMBOT SA IMO. So, it's like, I don't know about you. AMBOT SA IMO. For more emphasis, you could also say, AMBOT SA IMO da. Like, it's you there. Like placing that ignorant person over there in that AMBOT zone. And it's over there, AMBOT SA IMO da there. While I'm over here not knowing or exasperated about the other person not knowing. So AMBOT. AMBOT. AMBOT AMBOT na lang da. AMBOT. AMBOT SA IMO. I AMBOT. I is an expression for exasperation. Exactly. I AMBOT. Like, oh, I don't know. So that's our Ilonggo expression for today. AMBOT SA IMO da. This is John of Art. I hope you learned something new. AMBOT, AMBOT, AMBOT. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.